Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. How are you today?
I am good, miss. And you?
Okay, I'm fine too, and I'm very excited today. Thank you. Before we start today's learning, I will present you first. Okay. For the first is Alice,
Yes, I am.
and then Bagas.
Here, miss.
Okay, Diandra,
Present.
Philadelphia,
Here, miss.
and Kevin.
Yes, I am.
Okay, today no one is absent. Immediately before we begin our learning this morning, let us pray according to each other beliefs. Praying begins. Okay, enough. Anyone remember today what we want to do? Yes, of course. Today we will do a practicum about the absorption system in a plant, namely is osmosis. What is osmosis?
Osmosis is the movement of solute molecules through a semi-permeable membrane from a more dilute area to a more concentrated area, or from a region with a low concentration to a high concentration.
Right. Good. Okay, for more, let's just learn the tools and materials are needed in the practicum and its working step. Okay, the next is the purpose of this experiment. The purpose of this experiment is to know the water absorption system in plants, or called osmosis. And then tools and material are needed in this practicum. There are 2 flowers with stalks and leaves, and some of water, and then some of food coloring. For the next is work step on this experiment. Okay guys, work step of the flower osmosis experiment is start by mixing the food coloring into the water that has been provided. Secondly, put the flowers with stalk and leaves into the food coloring water. Thirdly, leave it for 6 hours and then make an observation of the flower once every 1 hour. Observe the color change that occur, and after 6 hours, the original white flowers will be colored. Okay, that was the practicum about osmosis in plants. Why do the flowers change color? Anyone knows? Nothing? It's okay. So the reason is that flowers have small tube inside the stem that serve to deliver water and food to every cell throughout the stem of the flowers. The water will move from the bottom to up through a small tube called vascular inside the trunk. Well, this vascular tissue is what brings the colored water to the petals until the flowers can change the color. Okay, so the conclusion from this practicum is plants have a vascular tissue. Vascular tissue is a small tube inside the stem that serves to deliver water and food to every cell throughout the stem of the flower, and then flower can change the color. And then enough for our practicum today. Anything to ask? Nothing? Okay, I think you guys already understand. Don't forget the practicum report is collected at my desk by next week at the latest. That's enough for today. Thanks for your attention and participation. I apologize for all my mistakes today. Thanks and see you next week. Happy working on the report. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.